welcome to Dominique Does It All. It's great to be back. I've been gone for about 2.5, 3 weeks. I am barefaced because this is going to be a skincare video. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you what I have been into. So for vanity reasons, I went and got my face waxed. I've always had my eyebrows waxed since, I've been getting them waxed since the 6th grade because if I don't, I will look like Bert from Sesame Street. I usually get my eyebrows waxed, my upper lip waxed, and my chin waxed from the Euro Center. For vanity reasons, I decided to get my cheeks and my sideburns waxed for a smoother makeup application. And yeah, nobody told me if you are acne prone that you shouldn't wax your face, that you'll get like an allergic acne reaction. Oh my gosh, I had the worst acne reaction ever. I'm gonna post some pictures here, or maybe here. It was so bad. It was like these big cystic bumps everywhere, and they hurt, and they were white and red, and it felt like the devil himself was like on my face. Oh! Okay, so like the first 5 hours, my face was smooth. I was so excited. I was like, I can't wait. I'm gonna go home and put some makeup on my face. It's so smooth. Yes. 5 hours later, that's when all hell broke loose. I have never felt more ugly in my life. Like even going through puberty, I've never had that much acne. Like I occasionally get, you know, small bumps around like that time of the month when my monthly comes, you know, maybe one cystic acne here or there, or one little, you know, zit when it's that time of the month, but I never have ever broken out like that before. Like my face now, it might look like I have acne, but I don't. I just have discoloration. But yeah, so everything I used is all over the counter. My face was so bad, I freaked out. I called a dermatologist. I've never gone to the dermatologist ever before. And apparently everyone in my network of dermatologists were booked 3 weeks out, you guys, and I was freaking out. I did get an appointment. I haven't gotten my medicine yet. So with that being said, I do act, if you guys know it or not. I was like, I can't go on set with my face looking like that. You know, my face is kind of like my resume, and no one's gonna have me on their set with my face looking like that. Yeah, no. So I rushed to Ulta and Sephora and got whatever products I can get my hands on that had the best reviews, and within 2 weeks my face cleared up. Bible. So I am going to show you what helped me clear up my face within 2 weeks, and all of them are over the counter. You don't need a prescription. Let's get into it. So the first thing that I was using before all hell broke loose was the Mario Badescu Acne Starter Kit. This is really good if you don't have extreme acne, you have 1 or 2, nothing too serious. This is really good for sensitive skin. It's not really strong, it's very mild. So if you have sensitive skin, this is what you want. And it was only $30 from Ulta. I highly recommend this. Now, after all hell broke loose, I needed the big guns. So after a lot of research, I went out and got just about the whole line from the Body Shop, the tea tree line. Tea tree oil is really good for your face if you have acne or cystic acne. So I usually start off by washing my face with the skin clearing facial wash from the Body Shop, their tea tree oil. I bought all of this from Ulta, but you can actually get it from the Body Shop. I like going to Ulta because you can get points and their points turn into dollars. That doesn't happen at the Body Shop, so yeah. I wash my face with this stuff, and I like it because you can feel the burn when you're washing your face. So I wash it with this. And then afterwards, I go in with the Holy Grail pads. These are the Peter Thomas Roth Max Complexion Correction Pads. Oh my gosh. Peter Thomas Roth. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. These take off, I swear to goodness, like a layer of your skin. I mean, it's not like gonna peel off a layer, but it burns so bad. Like, I feels like just a layer of your skin is coming off. I love it. It says to use it like every other day or every third day. I use them every day, twice a day, which is probably why my skin is just about back to normal. These are everything. Peter Thomas Roth, thank you. I love you. It's probably why my skin is just about back to normal. I highly recommend these. So I go in with these next. After I kind of let my face dry, I go in with the Body Shop's tea tree oil. Usually people dilute this. I don't dilute it. I put a little on my finger and I go in on the spots and I dab it on the spots, directly on the acne. I kind of let that die down. And then after that dries, I go in with the Body Shop's Tea Tree Night Lotion. It says it's for night, but I do this day and night because I'm a rebel and I want this ish to clear up, okay? And it has tea tree oil in it as well. That's why I like this line. Everything has tea tree oil in it. So I use that as well as my lotion. And then on days that I don't use this every day because it does kind of dry out your skin, I do switch it up because some products you can't use with this. So on days I don't use these pads, I will go in with the Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask directly after I wash my face. And this is like a holy grail item too. And it smells freaking delicious. This also burns, so you can feel it working. And I feel like it like takes off a layer of the skin too. So it's like taking off a layer of the acne. You leave it on for 20 minutes and then you rinse off your face and then go back and apply your tea tree oil and then your lotion as well. And then after you do that step, I go in with the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Night Mask. I like this. This is a acne mask that you can sleep in. Okay, so it's awesome because you can sleep in it overnight and I feel like it's killing the acne. Like most masks, you leave it on for 20 minutes and then you have to, you know, wash it off. This, you can sleep in it and I feel like it's working overnight to kill the acne. So this is another one of my holy grail items that I feel helped to get rid of the dead skin. And then also this Peter Thomas Roth Max Complexion Correction Pads. It does leave your face really dry. I feel like for me, this lotion is enough because I have oily skin. But if you have dry skin, I would recommend a sleep mask, hydrating sleep mask because it does dry out your skin a lot. So yeah. Would recommend that. Also, what really helps, I just got a facial steamer. I got it 2 days ago and I noticed that helps too. After you wash your face, you are going to steam your face for about 8 minutes. And what this does is it's going to open up your pores and it's gonna allow all the products to seep into your face. Anyways, I'm not a dermatologist, clearly, so I mean, if I'm saying something wrong, go in the comments and correct me. Anyways, yeah. And then I also saw my dermatologist recently because it's been about like 2 weeks. And she also said that getting the steamer is a plus. So yeah, it's a good idea to have a steamer. I'll leave a link to where I bought my steamer in the description box. Also, what's good about this Mario Badescu Acne Starter Kit is I don't use these items anymore because they're kind of lightweight and mild, but the two things that I do still use out of this kit is the drying mask and the drying cream because they're really good for cystic acne. And since I haven't yet started the dermatology medicine that my dermatologist recommended for me, I still use these two items because it's really good for cystic acne. It really dries it down. So yeah, the drying mask and the drying cream. But yeah, all of these products are over the counter and they've helped my acne go away. And it's been 2.5 weeks since my facial waxing, and yeah, gone. Except for this bad boy. That, I don't know, my dermatologist is gonna have to work on that one with some strong pills. Anyways, that's how I got rid of all of the acne on my face with over-the-counter products. Moral of the story, don't wax your face if you're acne prone, especially for vain, shallow reasons. Shave your face, dermaplane or derma, whatever they call it. I know a lot of people say, don't shave your face, you know, your hair is gonna grow back thicker. Do what you gotta do, girl. Or guy. Seriously. Like, it's not worth the acne. Have you ever waxed your face? Have you had a acne flare-up like that because you're acne prone? What are your go-to over-the-counter acne products? Comment below and let me know. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.